Hi, this is Dr. Casey Chan. Who am I? Recently, I did a survey before this short video recording to understand what people think of me. Consistently, the answer is, I'm a whole brain thinker. So what has this got to do with the topic I'm going to share with you, which is project-based accelerated action learning? Let us divide the content into two parts. What is project-based accelerated action learning and how it will affect our career success? Let's begin with the unfair advantage of being project-based. Every one of us has a success story to tell. Some of these success stories will convince our potential employers, business partners, whether we can be of business value add to them. I would like to share my project-based career journey since when I was 20 years old to 60 years old over a period of 40 years. I began my career as an industrial engineer. Within 6 months, I was promoted to be a project manager. Why? Because I have had added more business value as a project manager than being an industrial engineer, which looked at a small area of increasing productivity for the company. In another 12 months' time, I was promoted to be the general manager. Why? Because I have had completed more successful projects than my peers. I was able to create a unique proposition, sales strategy that helped the company to capture 90% of the leaders' tenders in the Far East. In another 12 months' time, I was invited by a Japanese multinational company to run their ASEAN business as the country manager. I stayed in this company for 10 years, helping them to grow their business 400 times over a period of 10 years. How did I make it last? I focused on turnkey projects that required our core competence, namely automobile, aircraft, and high precision industry. The moral of the story is clear. Employers, top management measure our capability based on the number of successful projects that we have delivered. The journey continues until I'm 66 years old. I am still pursuing projects in different disciplines: consulting, educating, training, and writing. So how project-based accelerated action learning help us to stay relevant, marketable, and employable? Action learning is doing by learning, which is a common term used by many people. The real meaning of project-based accelerated action learning is to ensure that we can learn faster, better, and smarter to beat the competition. This requires creating the right strategies to be executed and supported by the right process and right tools. This is not an easy task, as what is being advocated by the many. Now is the moment of truth to share this critical paradigm shift, which requires us to change the way we think, work, behave, and perform. I have implemented project-based accelerated action learning in many organizations, including institutions of higher learning, to help students, adult learners, to overcome their weaknesses. Let's capture the three very important things we have learned. What is project-based accelerated action learning? Business value add coherent strategy for faster, better, smarter outcome to beat the competition. Why? To stay relevant, marketable, and employable. How? Right strategy needs 3 box solutions. Right process needs 6 A's. Right tools need 10 elements.